Welcome, in front of me I have Xiaomi Mi LED TV P1, and today I will show you how you can set up program restrictions. So at the first we have to go for the settings. Next we have to scroll down to the device preferences and go below for parental controls. When you are enter here for the first time, you have to set up your new password. I use that option, so right now I can enter my currently password that I set up. To set up the program restrictions, we have to go below for that option, click to turn on, and here we get the rating system. So there's the only one that you can select or unselect, so for sure we have to select it. And below we got the ratings, so we can block unrated programs, for example. And here below, let's block unrated programs, and below we can find content for children, for older children, or for teens. So we can set up high, medium, or low restrictions. You can also customize that restriction manually. And here we got these restrictions from the United States from every program. So we can select this one or both of them. But honestly, I'm going to unselect custom and I'm going to pick the high restriction. And as you can see here, it is set up automatically. So we'll be able only to use programs recommended for ages 4 and over and 5 and over. After that, you can just simply go back, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.